Is the new Gemini button in Google Chrome annoying you? Every time you open Chrome, the Gemini sidebar pops up automatically and makes your browser feel heavier. In this video, I'll show you how to completely disable the Ask Gemini button and stop the Gemini sidebar from opening automatically. And the best part is, it only takes a few clicks. First, open Google Chrome. Now move your mouse cursor to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the Ask Gemini button near the toolbar. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then click on Settings. Inside Chrome Settings, go to the search bar on the left side and type Gemini. Now click on the option called Gemini in Chrome. Here you'll see two important options. The first option is called Show Gemini at the top of the browser. Turn this option off. Once you disable it, the Gemini button will disappear from the top of Chrome. Now look for the second option called Keep the Gemini sidebar open when opening a new tab. Turn this option off as well. This will stop the Gemini sidebar from automatically opening whenever you launch Chrome or open a new tab. I personally disable these features because they can use extra RAM and make Chrome feel heavier, especially on low-end or older computers. And the good thing is, you can still open Gemini manually anytime you want. So disabling these options helps keep Chrome cleaner, lighter, and faster. And that's it. Your Chrome browser should now feel less cluttered and more lightweight. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.